Today we're at 4652 Alpha Avenue. That's in the Murray Hill area. It's kind of off Cassett. Nice little neighborhood here. Got some plants here. Got a lot of nice little porch. This is really cute. Oh, the door opens. Step in, and here's the living room. It's actually pretty big. They had the cable set up here. You can set this room up in a couple of different ways. And to the right of the front door, we have our nice sized dining room, actually. A little open bar situation here. The outside here is where the washer and dryer connection go. And we have a garage for storage. And we have this fenced on all the sides. So that's nice. Nice backyard too. Let's check out the rest of the house. Okay, the first bedroom here. This is pretty big. It's actually a very big room. Got a place for a dresser. 2 closets, ceiling fan. Okay. Bathroom. The back bedroom here. This is a nice sized room. The floors are beautiful. Yeah, a double or queen size bed can go right there. Plenty of room for a dresser and Okay, so we have bedroom number 1, if you recall. This way is the living room, bath, bedroom. Let's see, and then a nice sized living room. Now this is important here that these are 2-inch blinds. They're not the little $3 mini blinds. Those are a real nice feature that you don't see very often. And then you have your kitchen, dining room area. All right. Sit outside on the porch. They've got the little bulbs up here set up for a little ambiance, sitting on the porch in the evening. Okay, there you go. 4652 Alpha Avenue.